Assalamu alaikum. Today you will learn how to balance ionic equation in few minutes. So let's begin. Step number 1, you need to write reactant with state symbol. And for knowing state symbol, you need to learn solubility rule. And so let me write here. You have a reactant Na2SO4 in this equation. And you have BaCl2 in this equation as state symbols are given, and as you know all sodium salts are soluble, so you have to write here aqueous. In a similar way, all chloride salts are soluble except the salts of heavy metal, so barium chloride is also soluble. Step number 2, you need to split them into ions. As you know, aqueous mean these ionic compounds are surrounded by water molecule and we call them, they are dissolved and we call them aqueous. So this sodium 2 indicate charge of this polyatomic ion, and this 2 also indicate number of ions of sodium. So before writing charge, we should write sodium SO4 polyatomic ion plus Ba and chloride ion. So first of all we need to determine the charge. So what is the charge on sulfate ion? As we know, this indicates the charge of sulfate ion. So it is 2 minus and 2 indicate the number of ions. Now what is the charge on sodium? Sodium carry 1 plus as it belongs to group number 1, so it has ability to lose 1 electron. Now come to this 2 indicates the charge of barium, so it is 2 plus, and 2 indicate the number of ions of 2 chloride ion. Now what is the charge on chloride ion? As it belongs to group number 7, so it requires 1 electron to complete its outermost shell, so it carry 1 minus charge. Now ions exist in the form of, they always have a state symbol of aqueous, so we write here aqueous, 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 aqueous. Now the third step. Okay, in this step you have to determine a product. So in order to determine a product, you need to react positive ion of first reactant with the negative ion of second reactant. So the first reactant is sodium ion, which carry 1 plus, and the second reactant negative ion is chloride 1 minus. So they will be cancelled out and our product is NaCl. In a similar way, for a second product, positive ion of second reactant react with the negative ion of first reactant. Positive ion Ba2 plus of second reactant and SO4 2 minus of first reactant, as they carry similar charges, value but opposite charges, they will be cancelled out and you get the formula which is barium sulfate. Now by writing NaCl plus BaSO4, you have your fourth step. In this step you have to balance your equation. As you can see, sodium is 2 in reactant side, you have to put 2 in product side. So now sodium become balanced and chlorine become 2, chloride ion become 2, so you can check it is 2 in a reactant side, so your equation is balanced. In the fifth step, you have to determine the solubility or state symbol of products. So sodium chloride, as you know, all sodium salts are soluble, so you have to put here aqueous for sodium chloride, and you know all sulfates are soluble except the sulfates of barium, strontium, lead and calcium. So we will write here solid. Now in sixth step, you have to write ions of the product side. You need to split them into ions. The one which is written aqueous. So you can see sodium ion carry 1 plus charge, chloride ion carry 1 minus charge. It is aqueous. It is aqueous. As you can see, 2 is written with sodium chloride, that indicate 2 is with sodium, 2 is with chloride ion. So you put 2 here. In writing ionic equation, the one which is solid, liquid, gas written as it is, like barium sulfate, is in solid form. So it is, we will write it in solid form, not in the form of ions. Now in seventh step, you need to find the ions which are same on both sides of the equation. So what are the ions which are same on both sides of the equation? They are called spectator ions. Sodium ion here and sodium ion here, they are same on both sides of equation. In a similar way, 2 chloride ion aqueous in reactant side and 2 chloride aqueous in product side, they are same on both sides of the equation, and we will cancel them out, and our equation, now the final shape of our equation is SO4 2 minus aqueous plus Ba 2 plus aqueous goes to BaSO4 solid, and that's it. This is your ionic equation. Hope you understand it well. Thank you very much.